Hey everybody, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, and I'm excited to announce today that we have a new product for you to help you on your cold therapy journey. We have hose connectors, and this is what they look like. So we're going to use these hose connectors to help you drain your pad. We get a lot of questions from patients about how do we drain the water out of our cold therapy pads once we're done to store them. So you can do this for the Breg Polar Care Cube, the Donjoy Classic, and the Donjoy Clear 3. You can use these connectors to drain your pad. So the first thing we need to do is there's a little tab right here, and you want to press that in on both connectors. So you take your cold therapy pad, and all you have to do, plug that in and press it till you hear it snap. Now, when you go to drain the pad, the valve is now open. So to drain a pad, you're just gonna do this over the sink, and we actually have a video for this. We'll drop it in the link. But we wanted to just show you that we now have these to purchase to help you drain that pad and keep it mold free. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and let's get back to living.